Hi guys, Selva here giving you tip number 8. So today I'm speaking about pre-approvals, continuing on my first home buyer series for the week. So what is a pre-approval and why do you need one? A pre-approval is a document provided by a lender, and it tells you roughly how much you can purchase for and how much you can borrow as well. So it's good as a first home buyer to understand how much you can purchase for, because you don't want to be going out there shopping for properties that are too much and that you won't be able to finance. So that's the first thing. How a pre-approval works is there's no obligation with a pre-approval, so there are fees that might come with application or an annual fee. You don't have to pay any of those fees. They're usually payable at settlement. So if you chose to go through with the lender you organized a pre-approval with, then you'd have to pay some of those fees. There's no obligation in that if you purchase a property using a pre-approval from, let's say, a certain bank, you wouldn't have to go and then finish your loan with them. You can always change and get your approval with another lender later if they have a more competitive offer that you're interested in. So a pre-approval lasts generally 3 months. With some lenders it lasts a little bit longer, a little bit shorter. It depends. There are different types of approvals. So that's one thing to be wary of or mindful of when you're shopping around. Some lenders will give you a pre-approval within minutes online. And then other lenders will only give you a pre-approval if they've had a look at things like your photo ID, your pay slips, your group certificate, and your savings statement. So that's what we call a fully assessed pre-approval, and I think that's going to give you a lot more certainty and confidence when you're going out there and purchasing. So why should you have a pre-approval? Because when you're going out there and purchasing, there are so many people, and agents and people that are selling their properties take you a lot more seriously if you have a pre-approval. You might even have the ability to take a property off the market prior to auction, or make a pre-auction offer and secure a property prior to it going to auction. So securing yourself possibly a property for slightly cheaper than you would be able to at auction. One thing to keep in mind though, the steps after having a pre-approval and putting a deposit down on a property and purchasing, the next step is formal approval. And to reach a formal approval, the lender will need to do a valuation on your property and ensure that they are happy with the property type and the location of the property. So, just because you have a pre-approval doesn't mean you're definitely going to be able to finance that property and get your loan approved. So it's good to have a good understanding of the pre-approval and the kind of parameters of the specific lender that you chose to get it with. So that's my explanation of a pre-approval. Hopefully it's been helpful. If you have any questions or would like to organize a pre-approval, feel free to send me an email at selva@brightbroker.com.au. That's selva@brightbroker.com.au. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below also. Thanks for your time.